On a remote mountain road, carved into the side of a cliff, two truck drivers prepared for what would become the funniest disaster of their lives. Larry, in a massive blue truck, was hauling heavy barrels of mystery cargo. Every bump made the barrels wobble and clang like a drum band on caffeine. He muttered, "Stay calm, no surprises today." But surprises came anyway. From the opposite direction, Gary thundered down the road in a bright red truck stacked with crates of chickens. Hundreds of them, loud, flapping, panicked chickens that screeched every time the truck shook. The road twisted like a snake, hugging the cliff's edge. And right in the middle was a giant crater, a hole so deep it looked like the entrance to the underworld. Both trucks reached it at the same time. Larry braked hard. Barrels clanged. Gary swerved. Chickens squawked. Tires screeched, and then crash. Both trucks slammed into the crater from opposite sides. Larry's barrels bounced out, rolling like cannonballs, straight at Gary's windshield. Gary's chicken crates exploded, feathers and birds flying everywhere like a feathery tornado. "Your chickens are attacking me," Larry yelled. "Your barrels are attacking gravity," Gary shouted back. They tried to move forward, but the road was too narrow. Sparks flew as the trucks scraped against each other, metal screaming. A barrel rolled between the tires, popping like a giant drum. A chicken landed on Larry's head, flapping its wings in panic. The two drivers froze. Half their trucks now dangled over the cliff edge. One wrong move, and it was all over. Larry whispered, "If we move, we fall." Gary muttered, "At least the chickens can fly." The absurd silence broke when one brave chicken strutted onto Larry's hood, puffed up its chest, and crowed like a king. Both men burst into laughter. There they were, trucks half destroyed, cargo everywhere, a hole big enough to swallow them whole. And yet they laughed, loud, ridiculous laughter echoing across the mountains. Because sometimes when danger and disaster collide, comedy wins.